And today we are unboxing the SteelSeries Artics 5. Sorry if I might be a little bit quiet because I just got back from a Rob Zombie / Marilyn Manson concert. Twins of Evil tour. It was awesome, just in case I need to remind. But let's get into this. Okay, so it's out of the box now. Let's open this bad boy up. Good box opener. Alright, so here's the first thing you see once you open up the box. Got some plastic right here. Let's take that out. Boom. There's the headset right there. Looks nice and comfortable. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's take this out. Bam. Alright, so let's put that down for a second. Then you just got the stand for it. Let's take this out. Got a little silicone gel bag thing. And then you got accessories box that I actually really like how they did this. So you can like store your stuff. Okay, alright, so I got the accessories box out. Love it. Comes with this little pamphlet. So it comes with this little pamphlet thing. So on the front it says love it, hate it. And then once you open it up, you got some just information if you want to rate it or something. But let's go and check out the rest of this. So you got the information guide. You're obviously probably gonna want to keep that just in case you need some help setting it up or just have problems with it. And then you got the essentials, the cables and so. Alright, so I got all the cables out. So let's go over them. This is the one that was just in the plastic bag. So I'm pretty sure this is for like, I don't know if it's primarily for PC, but it's like a mixer. I think it's primarily for PC. You got this little thing. Has an output like that. Not very sure what that's for. Probably for console. And then right here, oh never mind. This is the cord that goes to the PC. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know how you connect it to console, but if you need an auxiliary cord, I have one. But yeah. So that's going to be So that is going to be it for the SteelSeries Artics 5 unboxing video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, a comment if you have any questions, and if you subscribe, it'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you, and have a good day.